Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today I am going to show you an integration tricks with which you can solve many of the questions, many of the papers such as IIT JEEs, NDAs and CETs. Okay, these are the kind of questions which are normally asked. But before that, I want all of you to remember that 0 to pi mod of sin x dx or 0 to pi mod of cos x dx. The answer is just 2. Okay, so all you have to do over here is just multiply 20 minus 0, the upper limit minus the lower limit, into 2. So here your answer is coming out to be 40. You saw it is not even like 1 second calm, like after that you can get your answers. So similarly over here we have 50 minus 1 into 2, which is going to get you 49 into 2, which is coming out to be 98, right? Similarly over here, now when they have sin x plus cos x, will be what? Okay, students, you must be wondering, okay, this is only for pi, what about some other values? Don't worry, I'm going to show you those tricks as well. Okay, apart from that, students, if you like the way all these tricks are working for you and if it is making a difference, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. And also students, you can share these videos with all your friends as well, because that might help them again. Okay, so now over here we can write this as nothing but 24 minus 0 into, now we have sin x plus cos x, right? So we are going to write 2 plus 2. So here we have 24 into 4, which is going to get you 96. Okay, now let's look what will be the answer for integration of 19 pi by 3 of sin x dx. Okay, so what we'll do first is that we'll just try to find what is the answer of 0 to pi by 3 of sin x. So integration of sin x is nothing but what? Negative cos x to the limit of what? 0 and pi by 3. So here my answer will be negative of cos of pi by 3 minus cos of 0, to be negative of 1 upon 2 minus 1, which is going to be minus of minus half, which is coming out to be positive 1 by 2, right? So here what we are going to do is simply I need to convert 19 pi by 3 as something is in terms of pi and pi by 3. So if I do over here, if I do a 6 pi by 3, 6 pi plus pi by 3, I will get 19 pi by 3, correct? So now we can write this as nothing but 6 into 2, correct? Plus pi by 3 value is nothing but 1 upon 2. So your answer is 12 plus 1 upon 2, which is going to come out to be 25 by 2, which is again, if you write it in mixed form, will be 12 1 by 2. Okay, so now let's look for something else instead of pi. Okay, so here we have 0 to pi by 4 mod of cos x dx. So before beginning, let's try and understand 0 to pi by 4, what is the value of cos x. We have right now, we can write this as nothing but sin x 0 to pi by 4, which will be sin of pi by 4 minus sin of 0, which is nothing but 1 upon root 2, correct? So all we need to convert this in terms of pi, so we can write this as pi plus pi by 4, which is going to get you 5 pi by 4, right? And then we can write this as nothing but 2 plus 1 upon root 2. That is your answer for this integration. equation. Now I'm sure you must be wondering that everywhere there's a lower limit of 0. Okay, so now what if I give you a question which has got different limits itself? Okay, so let's say the question is 20 pi by 3 and we have 7 pi by 4. Okay, and they're asking you to find mod of sin x dx. Then again what we'll do is we'll just convert 20 pi by 3 minus 7 pi by 4 in terms of pi's. Okay, so this can be written as nothing but 7 pi minus pi by 3, right? And 7 minus 7 pi by 4 can be written as 2 pi minus pi by 4. Okay, now the only problem is we know that 0 to pi by 3 for sin x was what? It was nothing but 1 by 2. But we do not know 0 to pi by 4 for sin x. So let's try and do that as well. Okay. Here we'll get minus cos x 0 to pi by 4. Okay, so this is coming out to minus cos of 0 minus cos of 1 pi by 4. This is coming out to be cos of pi by 4 minus 0. So which is coming out to be minus 1 upon root 2 minus 1. Taking the minus inside, I get 1 minus 1 upon root 2. Okay, so here understand this is nothing but 7 into 2 minus 1 by 2, right? And here we have minus 2 into 2 minus of 1 minus 1 upon root 2. Please understand this minus is a very important. So 14 minus 1 by 2 minus 4 minus 1 plus 1 by root 2. So 14 minus 4 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. Okay, so this is coming out to be 18 minus 1, which is 17 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. Okay, so now students, coming to the point of your do it yourself question. Here tell me what is the answer of 16 pi by 3 mod of cos x dx. Okay students, so that's it for now. Do let me know how do you find this video, and don't forget to give the video a like. Bye.